Okay, guys. Now, in the previous lesson, guys, we talk how to deal or how to compute with decimals. How to compute with decimals. We talk how to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply. And today we will do division, guys. I will open my cam. Today we will do, inshallah, division of decimals. Division of decimals, okay? But before that, let's remember one example about how to multiply decimals. Let's multiply this number, 2 decimal 003, multiply 1.4. 1.4. How we multiply these two numbers? Yes, Omar and Dawar. I just started, yeah. Oh, we have Yusuf Tamer also. Okay, يلا. ها
Yes.
تفضلوا.
Yes, mister.
No,
تفضل.
I want to answer with
I
you
want
the
to answer.
multiplication.
لحظة شوي. Both you want to answer. Did I ask? سؤال بس يعني سؤال هيك صغيرون. Did I ask something to answer it?
Yes, multiplication.
When I say example, okay, means I will do it for the students. When I say question or exercise, you will help me with. Did I choose students? No. Did I ask questions to you? No. So just focus. Okay, mister?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now, 2.003, guys, multiply 1.4. I'll do this example just to refresh your minds at the last thing we did in the previous period. So here, guys, we multiply without decimal. So this number without decimal is 2003. This number without decimal is 14. And we make multiplication normally. Multiply normal. Forget the decimal. خلاص. Here, 4 by 3, 12. Multiply normal. 4 by 0, 0 with 1, 1. 4 by 0, 0. 4 by 2, 8. Now, the second number, 1. Here we start with 0. We know that already. 1 by 3, 3. 1 by 0, 0. 1 by 0, 0. 1 by 2, 2. Then 0 we then add. Now this will be 24082. After we add and find the final answer of the product without decimals, we take our answer and we put it here after the equal. It is 28042. 28042. This is the answer, but it is not the final answer. It is wrong answer without decimal for sure. Here I will go to my first number and I will see the decimal. After the decimal, I have 3 digits. Here, after the decimal, I have 1 digit. Together, we have 4 digits. So I'll go to my answer here, starting from the right, and count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll put my decimal. Now it became what? Correct answer. Now, guys, sometimes if I have 4 digits, I only have 3 digits here, I need to add zeros. So it depends on the example. Sometimes I need to add zeros, sometimes I don't need to add zeros like this one. Now, this was the multiplication. Let's do the division. Let's do the division. And please look here, guys, and focus with me. Today we will divide division decimal by decimal. Decimal by what? By decimal. Now, in grade 5, let's remember in grade 5 what we did. I won't repeat it here. I just remind you. Now here in grade 5, we did something like this. 27.4 divided by 2. Right? This we call it decimal, and this we call it whole number. This is not decimal, this is whole number. But today I will divide decimal by what? Both have this, both have decimals. Here in grade 5, we did this kind, this type. صح. خلصت شرب انتبه. يلا. Now 27.4, guys. We divide normally. If you remember in grade 5, 2 on 2, 1. 1 by 2, 2. Subtract 0, then 7, then 3, 6. Subtract 1. Now to get the 4, I have what? the decimal. Once you have the decimal, put it up. We know that. We did that before. Now we get the 4 down. 14 on 2, 7, 14, subtract 0. This we did it where, guys? In grade 5. Decimal by whole number, we divide normally. Once we get the decimal, we put it up. وكل شيء تمام. But here we will divide decimal by decimal. For example, like this one. 8 decimal 4 6 divided by 0.2. Here we have decimal divided by another decimal, which is our subject. طيب, I have Muad. Let's see Muad what he knows. Muad.
Yes.
Muad.
Yes.
Talk حبيبي. You put your hand. Talk.
Mr. Before
علي صوتك يا معاذ. I cannot hear you.
before the camera was lagging, I want to tell you, so I raised my hand and I forget to.
Now it's okay يا معاذ.
Yes, yes.
معاذ, I can't hear you. Now it's okay.
Yes.
Good. Yeah, let's continue. Today, guys, as I said before, we'll divide two numbers and both numbers have decimals. Now, look here, guys. I will make my long division normally. This is the dividend. I'll put it here. 8 decimal 4 6. This is the divisor. I'll put it here. 0 decimal 2. And I will divide. But before I will divide, look at this note, what I will write here. Note, and it's important note. N dividing decimal by decimal using long division. And what's the long division? Here, what we call this long division. N dividing decimal by decimal using long division. The divisor should has no decimal. N dividing decimal by decimal using long division, the divisor should be without decimal. يعني هذا الديفايزر بدناش فيه decimal. If you ask why, I will tell you هيك. هي هيك. Why we don't want the decimal here? To make it easy like this one. Here we have no decimal, but here I have decimal. Now I need to get rid of this decimal. How I will get rid of this decimal, guys, which is the important thing here, and please be careful. Now I will go to the divisor. The divisor is the important thing here, not the dividend. The dividend has decimal, has no decimal. It's not natural, normal, okay? But the divisor is the important thing. Now to get rid of this decimal, guys, we push the decimal to the right. To the right, not to the left, to the right. Here. To the right, how many digits we push it to be at the end? 1 digit. Yeah. If you push the decimal 1 digit here, the decimal will be here, right? And if it's be here, it will be something like this, right? And this, what's this? This is 2 only, because this 0 has no value, and this decimal has nothing after it, so no need for it. So we push the decimal at the end. But how many digits we pushed the decimal? 1 digit. What we do here, we will do the same thing here. What we do here, we will do the same thing here. Again, what we do here, we will do the same thing here. So what we did here, we pushed the decimal 1 digit. So I will push the decimal here also 1 digit. Now, I have 2 new numbers. what we have here, our two new numbers. Here will be 0, 2, and the decimal here, right? I pushed it. And here, the decimal will be between 4 and 6. Now, this 0 has no value now. We can cross it. We can erase it. 2 decimal, nothing. 2 decimal, nothing. No need for it. Now, what we have here, 84.6 divided by 2. A decimal divided by whole number. We divide normally. When once we get the decimal, we put it up. So let's divide it quickly now. 4, 8, subtract 0, 4, 2, 4, subtract 0. I have the decimal, put it up. And the 6 becomes down. 6 on 2, 3, 6, subtract 0. So our answer for the main question, the original question is how much? 42 decimal 3. So here my answer, 42 decimal 3. Another example. Hisham.
Mister, I have a question. If we have not 84, if we have 88.56, how we will make it?
If we don't have what?
If we have instead of 4, 5.
Same idea, Mr. ايش المشكلة يعني? Just
Okay.
if we have instead of 4, 5. يعني ال 4 هذه كانت 5. ايش المشكلة؟
Yes.
What's the problem? Nothing. Do the same steps. Okay?
Okay.
Nothing. Do the same steps. Focus with us in the next example. يلا. Omar.
Mister, if you said if we push 0, we should to push it in the another.
We don't
number.
push 0. لحظة لا لحظة شوي لحظة. ما بتمرقش هذه. ما بتمرق. We don't push zeros يا مستر. We push the decimal إحنا.
Yes, the decimal.
يلا. احكي.
If we must if we don't have numbers to push it.
أيوة. Look here now. Look. If I want to divide these two digits, guys, look here, guys, and please be careful. 9, 7, decimal, 2, 5. Hello? And here I have 0.005. Be careful, guys, and please focus with me. تجلطونيش يعني. انتبه. Now, we said the important thing is what? That the divisor should have no decimal. I have decimal. قد راسي هيا شايفها. Now, I need to push this decimal. How many digits? 1, 2, 3 to be here, right? I will push this decimal 3 digits to be here, right? I will do the same thing here. What we do here, we do it here also. But here, if I want to push, how many digits I have? Only 2 digits. And here I have 3 digits. At this case, because we have decimal, guys, here we can add zeros as much as we want. Nothing will change. We know that if we have decimal and we can add zeros. So here, if I don't have extra digits in the dividend, we can add 0 to make it 3, like this one. Because if we keep it like this, here are 3 digits. What we do here, we'll do the same thing here. Same thing. 3 digits, 3 digits. 5 digits, 5 digits. 2 digits, 2 digits. But here I want to push 3. Here I have only 2. Add 0 to make them 3. Now, what if I pushed here 3 digits? Now I can push here 3 digits. Now, what are the new numbers? Look here. The new numbers. 0.005, the decimal will be after the 5. It will be 0005. Right? And the decimal here. This number will be 97250 and the decimal here, right? Now, these 3 zeros, I don't need them, had no value. This decimal has nothing after it. No, I don't need it. This decimal has nothing after it. I don't need it. Now what we have? Normal numbers, normal divisions, عادي, normal numbers. Here 1, 5, subtract 4, 7, 9, 45, subtract 2, 2, 4, 20, subtract 2, right? Then the 5, 5, 25, subtract 0, then the 0, 0 in quotient. This is our answer. So after I push the decimals, this is our answer. Better.
Yes, Mister, you have a
Better.
mistake. Mister, you have a mistake in
What?
question 1.
Yeah, which question? Where question 1? We don't have a question
Good
1
one,
here.
again.
I have a mistake.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Badr. أنا جد آسف يعني. Where is the mistake?
It's supposed to be 24, not 42.3.
Where? Where?
Answer. المفروض
Here? Here?
Oh, yes.
4 by 2, 8. Right?
Yes.
Then we get the 4 down. 4 divided by 2, how much?
2.
2. How 24, ya mister?
Okay, sorry. I did something else.
بدر. بدر كيف حالك أنت؟
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. دوم يا رب. طيب. Now guys, all of you go to the page of the exercises, the practice page, what we call it the homework always, right? Go to it. I don't know which page. Someone tell me, Badr, which page?
153.
Mister,
1.3.
The four student talk, and I have 3 different numbers on the same page. Oh my God.
153. Mister.
Type
153.
1,
5, 3.
153. Okay. 153. I'm close to get it. Okay, it's here. Now, here is our exercises, guys. One, add. The second question, add. The third question, subtract. Then multiply. Then what?
Divide.
What we have here?
Division.
Division, right? Question 7. So we'll do question 7 together using this way.
Mister, we should write the steps.
We should write the steps. لا يا مستر, أنت you are Einstein ما شاء الله. You can divide decimals here without steps. ماشي يا عمر؟
قصدك اكتبهم على الكتاب لانه فاهم.
How we will do? Yes يا مستر, yes, write everything. How will you get the answer without steps يا عمر? How? Tell me how. Use calculator? You wanna use calculator?
No.
You are smiling, I think yes. But question 7. Read يا عمر.
34 the point.
Guys, we are on page 153. Read يا عمر again, معلش. Sorry.
34.672.
No, Mister, he's doing the addition.
يا جماعة هذا
Mister,
ولا question 7 عمر.
Oh yes.
يا زلمة أنا آسف. question 7.
32.647 divide 0.0.
32.674 divided by 0.016. 0.016. Look here, guys. Now, here you have a space, but I don't think it's enough. So use a paper besides you or math copybook. Now, I will make my long division. And I will put my numbers normally. 3, 2, decimal, 6, 7, 4. 0.016. Now, normally. ما عملتش شيء لسه. Now my divisor has what? Has a decimal. I need to get rid by pushing this decimal to the right. How many digits, guys? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So my decimal, I want to push it to be here. If I do something here, I'll do the same thing here. So here I pushed the 3 digits. Do I have 3 digits? Yes, I do. No need to add zeros like the last one there. So here I can push it كمان هون. This decimal will be here. I have 3 digits, الدنيا حلاوة. Now, the new numbers will be what? This number will be 0, 0, 1, 6, and my decimal, right? And this number will be 3, 2, 6, 7, 4, and my decimal, right? Now, these 2 zeros, no values. This decimal has nothing after. Erase it. I don't need it. This decimal also has nothing after. Erase it. I don't need it. Now, what we have?
Normal.
2 normal numbers division ما في أي مشاكل. Now let's divide them together. 3 cannot divide by 16, but 32 can. 32 and 16 exact 2. Exact. Subtract 0. Now we bring the 6 down. Focus. 6, bring it down. The 6 less than 16. At this case, what we do, guys?
We put decimal.
يا ابني في ديسيمال هون انت.
Mr.
في
can I
ديسيمال
say-
هون. في ديسيمال. من وين جبت الديسيمال؟ No, we don't. No, we don't put decimal. Who's talking?
Yusuf.
Yusuf?
Yeah.
Yes. What we do, Yusuf? What we do? I brought the 6 down. The 6
Put
less than 16. What I do?
Put zero.
Zero in
then,
quotient.
put zero. Yeah, 0 in quotient.
Now we get the
Then,
7 down.
Yeah.
67. Now we do continue divide. 67 and 16, 4. 4 by 16, 64. Subtract
4.
3. صح? Now bring the 4
Yeah.
down. Bring the 4 down. Okay, guys? انتوا معايا ولا لا؟
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
يلا bring the 4 down. Now we have 34. 34 on 16, 2. 2 by 16, 32. Have numbers here still? No, I used all the numbers. At this case, yeah, Mr. Badr, we put decimal and down 0. Now 20 divided by 16 is 1 because 2 gives 32. 1 by 16, 16. Subtract 4. I have decimal. I can add 0. 40. 40 on 16, 2. 2 by 16, 32. So we have 40, down of it 32, right? Subtract. I can add what? 0. 80 on 16, this numbers, it will be exact 5. 5 by 16, 80. Subtract. This is question 7. The board finished here, so I continue here. ما بدي اكتب تحت بس بدفعوني حقه. Right. Now guys, please focus, please. It's important thing, and I'll bring a lot of decimals in next exams. I love them. I'll bring a lot of decimals. A lot. Maybe all the exam will be decimals, and especially the division of decimals. I love it. I enjoy it very much. So focus. طيب سليمان منير. سليمان.
Answer.
يلا answer.
8.
Go ahead.
Uh,
سليمان. Go ahead answer. يلا.
3.825 divide 0.25.
You are doing a question 8, right?
Yeah.
طب سليمان stay unmuted please, just a few seconds. Please stay, Suleiman. Now, guys, all of you remove your hands except the students whom did not understand it yet. This is a question I'm talking about. الكل فاهم. Okay, for sure. I'm a smart teacher, so should be.
Yes, you are smart teacher.
Okay. لا, I have Rayyan, Mister. You have what? Rayyan.
You have a wrong.
You have wrong ولا مين have wrong دينا انت ولا انا؟
You have wrong in question number 7.
I have wrong.
You 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 2. You
Here?
was confused 2 and 0.
Here
Yes.
34 minus 32 how much Rayyan?
0 and 2.
يعني here you want to put 0?
Yes, you should put 0.
I'm sorry Rayyan هاي الزيرو ها ما تزعل حبيبي ها أنا آسف. Now it's correct. Now correct Rayyan? Or I have some other mistakes
Yes.
here?
No.
طيب look here يا ريان. This is correct, right?
Yes.
Rayyan, can you read this number?
2.
What's this number? 2, right? This number is what?
Yes. 2.
Read this number. It is 2, right? Top. What's this number, Rayyan?
2.
Rayyan, talk with me. This number is 2, you said, and this number also is what?
2, yes.
See, they are the same. They are the same. But now let's go to Sulaiman.
Yes, Mr.
Question 8, guys. Do it with us. Please, guys, please prepare a copybook or paper besides you. Copybook or paper besides you. But we have question 8, 3.825. Question 8, we have 3.825 divided by 0.25. 0.25. Okay, guys, we'll make long division. Here, 3.825, and here 0.25. Mr. Talk.
We will push the decimal.
Here, how many digits here?
No, not here.
Not here. We will go here, not here. This depends on this.
Yeah.
This depends on this. Yeah. Here, how many digits I need to push the decimal to the left?
Right. To the right.
To the left or to the right?
The right.
To the right. Right. So the decimal will be 2 digits after the decimal, after the 5 here, right?
Yeah.
But here, I pushed 2
Here.
digits, and here also
2 digit.
2 digits also. What I did here, I do it here. Same.
Yeah.
Now we have new numbers. We have new numbers. Guys, copy this. Make these arrows so you understand in your copybook. Now here, the new number here, 0, 2, 5, and the decimal at the end. This is our goal, our aim, our mission, our job, our idea, to make the decimal at the end so we get rid of it. بدناش إياها هذه. ما بدنا إياها هذه.
Yeah.
And this decimal will be where here? It will be between 2 and 5. No need to add zeros. 3, 8, 2, decimal 5. Now this 0, I don't need it. Rayyan, this 0 has no value حبيبي. مش تحكي لي غلط لأنه في 0 هون. And this decimal no need for it. Now what I have? I have normal decimal divided by whole number, so it's okay. Now 38 is Sulaiman on a 25, how much?
1.
2?
1.
Why not 2 طيب؟ ليش 1 يعني؟
Because it will be 50.
Now because if we choose 2 guys, it will be 50. I want 38, so it is 1. 1 by 25, 25. Subtract 1, 3, 13, صح? 13 less than 25, I'm okay. I will bring what?
2.
احكي يا ابني بسرعة. 132 divided by 25, how much?
5.
هلا 4 by 20, 100, صح؟
Yeah, 5.
25 آسف. 5 by 25, 125, so it's 5. By 25, 125, subtract 7. مظبوط?
Yeah.
What I will do now?
Get put decimal up.
While I'm going to take the 5, I have what? The decimal. I put it up directly. Then I brought the 5 down. Now 75 divided by 25, how much?
3.
3. 3 by 25,
75.
so our answer is 15 decimal 3. So the answer of these two divisions is 15 decimal 3.
Mr.
Yes, Abdul Hamid.
I have a small question. If we have
Ask,
two
Mr.
decimal 0, if we moved the decimal 1 digit, it will be 20.
Mister, give me example.
2 decimal 0.
Wait. Where I will write? In the dividend or in the
No,
divisor?
Divisor.
Here. Okay.
Yes.
What I will write? Tell me. Yalla.
2 decimals 0.
2 decimal 0.
Yes. Divide any number.
This number has no. Wait, ya mister. Wait.
Yes.
This number has no decimal because 2 decimal 0 is already 2. 2 and nothing is what, ya Abdul Hamid?
2 and nothing is 2.
So no need to write 2
We don't
decimal
move
0.
the 0.
لا ya mister, we don't need it.
We don't
This
need it.
this number
It will stay 2.
is 2. Yeah, 2. No need.
Okay.
Okay?
Mister,
Now,
can I solve?
do you understand? Abdul Hamid,
Yes.
do you understand these? Are you sure?
Yes.
Good boy. Stop. Can I answer? واحد كاتب اسمه can I answer? Okay, I will ask you a question. Can I answer? What's your name? Answer that, please. Right. Abdul Rahman. No, Abdul Rahman is gone. Omar Mdawar again and again and again.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Omar, talk.
Mister, if we have 2.1,
Wait. Where? In the divisor or dividend? Where?
here, in the
Where here? Where here, you mister? In the divisor or in the dividend?
divisor.
Here, 2.1.
Yes.
يلا 2.1. أيوة.
If we push the point one.
طب لحظة، هذا بيبرد يا مستر، هذا بيخاف فاضي هيك لحاله. طب شو أعمل هون أنا؟
I don't know any number.
طب ماشي، هاي 274 decimal 81 روح ولا تزعل. يلا.
Yes, 2. 2. If we push the decimal 1 digit, it will be 21.
Yes, 21. ما لها ال 21 مزعليتك بإشي؟
No, but
Even
it was
me, that
2.
was like my question. We changed its value.
It was 2, then it.
طيب, yes, we change the value. 2.1 becomes a 21. But if we change the value here, we will change the value here. they will stay what? Equivalent. Look here, guys.
Okay.
Look here. Remember this?
Yes.
Fraction.
4/6. Now we have different numbers, right?
Yes,
Yes.
but equivalent.
But we have equal between them. Why? Because
they
we
are
did the same
equivalent.
thing up and down. We
And
did
we
the
can-
same thing up and down. So if we do the same thing up and down, the answers will be the same, or the values, or the value of 2/3 is the same of value of 2/4. When we will have different, guys, if I do something here and I did not do the same thing here. At this case, yes, we change the values. But if you divide, look here, guys, look and focus. 8 divided by 4, how much?
2.
2.
2. But 6 divided by 3, how much?
2.
Come on, 2. I have different numbers, but I have the same what? The same what?
Answer.
The same answer.
Quotient.
When I guarantee that I did not change the values, guys. Remember when we were here, I keep saying if you do something here, do the same thing here, right? I keep saying that because maybe if the neighbors hear me, they will think that I'm a crazy man. Now, why I keep saying that? Why I keep saying that? Because if you don't do the same thing here and here, the value, the whole value will be changed. Okay? That's why. Else. Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions? How many minutes we have? Who
Less
knows?
than
1 minute.
No.
1 minute.
Less.
1 minute خلاص.
Yes.
Less.
Less than 1 minute.
طيب. Guys, hope you understand this idea of dividing decimal by decimal. Now, inshallah, in someday, we will go to the something that you love it so much. We will go to the fractions. We miss them. We miss the fractions so much. Amar Ala, you can stop the recording. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next period. Goodbye.